Looks like we've got a little planing for the old big gulp to do. That's 8/4 walnut. That's some high dollar stuff. Several hundred board feet of that, several $1,000s sitting there. I'm going to take this pallet, move it to the downstream side of the planer so that when we plane the big walnut slabs, they immediately go back on the pallet. So a little pre-positioning of equipment makes things a lot better. One of the cool things about this big machine, this big flattening planer, is it's actually a facer and a planer in one machine. So these are 8/4. We're going to set these to right at 2 inches. That's a pretty pack of walnut right there. We got them planed very flat. You can see how flat these guys are. That's the whole point. Go ahead and put this down. And let's go back inside and do some more planing.
I remember back in the old days, it would take us quite a bit of time to plane this much wood. These days, it's just a matter of feed it in and let it eat.
Done with that. That is some pretty walnut. Look at that. It looks like it's one board. It's not. It's 4 of them. That's how you know when they're flat. Look at that. Beautiful. Thanks to my wife, Martha. There you go. We got all these cool machines here, but you can't do any of it without a Martha. Can't buy that. So we're done with this. And Chips, he likes to be where the action is. So he moved up here to the forklift so he could see what was going on, and he'd be ready to use the forklift and get to wood. So now Martha's gonna stack all these on this one pallet, or on this one cart. And here's one of the cool things. We built these carts specifically for us. I mean, these may look like they're $1 million carts.
You getting down? All right, get down.
Chip's getting out of the way for Martha to drive. I guess he's gonna let her take this load. Well, Chip has decided he's gonna help Martha drive the forklift. He is a supervisor. So the cool thing about these carts is you can get the forks right under them. Pick the whole thing up, just like that. Carry the whole mess back to the building. And landed. Here's some of our wood stacks we have to work on tomorrow. We go through a lot of wood. This is 2-inch, beautiful 2-inch oak. 2-inch maple, big 2-inch poplar here. There's rough sawn stuff we got to work on. Planing it, there's some ambrosia maple, rough sawn red oak. It's all kiln dried, but we've still got to work with it. More wood just stacked up. So I think we're done. Martha says we're done. Hey Chip, are we done? I think he says we're done. The doors are going down. We enjoy working out here, but I tell you what, even though we own the business, there's nothing better than having the doors come down at the end of the day. And the sun's going down. It's a beautiful sunset. It's getting dark. It's time to go home. Y'all have a good day.